data in these antimicrobial agents. What is just compatibility means? Again, there is one more important factor in the hand antisepsis part is compatibility means there are two kinds of things. It should promote your skin health and it should enhance the antimicrobial activity of your healthy skin also. Our skin also has an antimicrobial activity, which means that we have on a normal human skin, it has an acidic pH. And if you are using antimicrobial agents like bar soaps, alkaline detergents, something, they tend to move your skin pH towards an alkaline side, and which compromises the active, the antimicrobial activity of a healthy skin itself. And what 3M does is, 3M in US, its scientists has found that if an antimicrobial agent is to be developed, it should not compromise with the normal pH of a healthy skin, means it should be on an acidic side rather than to shift it on an alkaline side. Does antimicrobial agent, do you know that it contains all these things? There is an antimicrobial agent, it has a coloring agent, it has perfumes, it has water, it has an ionically compatible base, and this is one of the most critical factor which goes into a hand hygiene agents or an antimicrobial agent. They are surfactants, they are oils, they are emollients, and they are moisturizers also. So this ionically compatible base, if it is not compatible with your antimicrobial agent, it is going to compromise the efficacy or the killing power of your antimicrobial agent. It means that if an antimicrobial agent is having a zero charge, and if it is the ionically compatible base has a positive charge, it is compatible. But in majority of the scenarios, when studies was conducted, most of the antimicrobial agent which were available, the antimicrobial agent was having a plus charge or a minus charge, and the ionically compatible base was having a negative charge, which itself was reducing the antimicrobial activity of that particular product. So determinants of efficacy of hand hygiene products, it depends on 4 factors: antimicrobial efficacy of the major active ingredient, duration of application or hand washing episodes, volume of the product used, and adequacy of the technique. This second factor is most critical, and this fourth factor is most critical while doing your hand hygiene, either surgical scrub or a procedural hand wash. Now I am going to demonstrate you a new technology that outperforms traditional surgical scrub, whatever we are doing in our OTs. Its features are that it is waterless, means we don't have to use external supply of water. It is scrubless, we don't have to scrub our hands vigorously, and it is a brush-free application. It provides a rapid bacterial kill against a broad spectrum of organisms. A persistent antimicrobial protection is being given while helping maintain the skin natural barrier function. All these 4 features are very important. The active ingredient of that product is chlorhexidine gluconate, that is only 1% because it is a waterless CHG based product, and ethyl alcohol, which is 61%. Studies have again shown that if you are using isopropyl alcohol in a range of 70% or 2-propanol or 1-propanol, ethyl alcohol has a better killing power as compared to 1-propanol or 2-propanol again. And this is what I'll be doing. This product has a particular application technique which I am going to demonstrate, because otherwise if you are not going to use with a proper application technique, you will not be able to do justice with this product. So this is what 3M Everguard is. It has been available in US since 2001. And it's an FDA based product, almost like FDA has approved this product in 2000. There's a particular story behind the development of this product. In 2000 something, there has been a hurricane which was named Katrina, which arrived in which hit US, and there was a particular shortage of supply of water in most of the hospitals in US. So then US government asked different companies to develop a waterless based product which can be used as a surgical scrub. So at that time, when they contacted 3M, there were a lot of companies. They found that 3M scientists were working on a concept called as waterless brush-free application or a scrubless product itself in 2000. They asked FDA to review this product on a fast-track basis, and within 6 months of reviewing, 3M submitted almost 26,000 pages of documentation, safety and efficacy data regarding this product. It was reviewed within 6 months, and then on June 7, 2001, FDA granted approval of this product because it was satisfying all the criteria for FDA as a surgical scrub itself. And CDC guidelines also says that if a surgical hand antisepsis using either an antimicrobial soap or an alcohol-based hand rub with persistent activity is recommended before donning sterile gloves when performing surgical procedures. The advantage of this is that it has got an emollient-rich lotion base which is based on a liquid crystal technology and which is found in most expensive cosmetic lotions, and that is why it doesn't hamper with your skin integrity also. We just it is applied without water or a scrub. There is no need of using brushes or doing scrub on your hand. It comes as a kind of wall holder. It is actually installed in your wall. And it's a hand-free application. You don't have to touch it with your hands. It's a foot pump operated technique, which is if you press, there will be a pressure which comes out with an air pressure. And this air pressure doesn't go into the bottle, so there is no need of contamination. The only thing is, you need to replace the bottle every time like this. And the only thing is, before application, I told you that first thing in the morning, whenever you come from the home, wash your hands with a non-antimicrobial soap and water to remove the dirt and debris, because it's a CDC requirement. And after that, once you have removed all your dirt and debris, now your hands are clean, it doesn't have any dirt and debris. Then with a 3-pump technique, first pump, you just press it. With a full pump, if you press it, there will be 2 ml of liquid which will be coming in. It's a 3-pump technique. First pump, 2 ml comes in. Just take your tip of the 5 fingers of your opposite hand into this. Because the nail beds have a lot of microorganisms that will be over that. So the alcohol will start working on your nail beds. Take this, the entire 2 ml solution and spread it over your opposite arm like this, just above the elbow, and then go on scrubbing upwards in a rotating manner to cover the entire arm itself like this, just below the wrist. So as soon as you start working, CHA will provide you a persistent effect, and by the time it will dry automatically. Second pump in your right hand, 2 ml liquid will come again, dip your opposite hand fingers like this and spread your entire 2 ml solution over opposite palm and do it with just above the elbow in a rotating manner to provide a liquid coverage. Just below the rest. Third pump, you have to do your 6 steps WH hand hygiene like this, palm to palm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Then last step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the thing is that Avogard is still there. So go on rubbing your hands up till rest unless and until it dries off. Don't wear your gloves before unless and until it dries off, because it will give you a stickiness solution and the surgeon will not be comfortable. Once it dries off, alcohol is taken, then you are ready to operate without using water, without using the additional surgical stuff method. Studies have proven that Avogard is much better than any other method, and it provides effective bacterial kill. You can do antimicrobial study in your hospital also. Take cultures or whatever method are your use method. You can take it, and that will proven technology that will use most of the hospitals in US, almost 80% market share is there of Avogard without using a water and it's a brush-free, scrubless and waterless application. So it maintains improved skin conditions are there. See, just before using Avogard, what the redness and everything was available, and the person who used Avogard, his hands condition actually improved after using this solution. There were a lot of studies conducted. It means like within 15 seconds, all your kinds of microorganisms which are having a particular code or which are resident microorganisms were killed within 15 seconds. And we have like all the studies documented. This is what FDA criteria means, like on day 1, it should have a 1 log reduction, and see the kind of log reduction which is coming with Avogard. On day 2, it should have a 2 log reduction, and day 3 it has got a 3 log reduction. So it surpasses the FDA criteria of being recognized as a surgical scrub. Again, the skin condition studies, 3 kinds of approaches were there. So expert dermatology came and assessed the subject skin. There was subjective self-assessment was there, bioinstrumentation studies were taken, which shows that even 3M Avogard were provided the least irritant effect, and even a moisturizing lotion, the Curel therapeutic moisturizing lotion, was far irritant as compared to any other product. We're just skipping this slide. So the bottom line is that it is fast, effective and activity. Within a minute, you can do your surgical scrub. So some famous US hospitals which use only and only Avogard, even in ICUs, with only a 1 pump technique, Mayo Clinic, John Hopkins Hospital and the Duke University Hospital.